Oh yeah, this video I'm gonna share this video. Quick one, I'm gonna share the video. It's gonna be a short video. Good morning. C'est la province là. On sort qu'elle now. Il va se marier avec. Avec un beau casse broda. Il va se marier avec. I greet you and good morning. It's okay, well, my video now is very important. Let this video go viral. Tatu samanya pasoda meya waganya. Okay. Yeah. Let me end the music. I'm not gonna waste much time. I'm gonna say it very quickly. When I call it Nogi, when I share this video, go give it Nogi. Understand? When I share this video, go give it Nogi. I'll do this video. Maybe I'll do it like 2 to 3 times today. This same kind of video. When I share this video, make it reach Enogi hand. The video I want to do so. I don't be bad person. You understand? For this social media, the truth we Enogi and in cohorts, where they hide, where they don't want to talk. Now they expose where they pain them for body. You understand? And they expose. If you be man, you go come out, fight like a man. Now, Enogi, with the do saga, the way the saga they reach, will come make mistake, go cross boundary. Don't put ourselves for problem. Enogi, I want to tell you, I'm not the quarrel with you. I don't hate you. I don't hate your children. I don't hate your wife. And the truth I tell you and your wife and your children. Enogi, you don't cross boundary and you don't enter problem. Enogi, you don't enter. If you see this my eyes, you go know say you don't tell we are weak since for your matter. When I beg for your matter, Enogi. Enogi, I use God beg you. Come out, do video. May you say apologize to the woman where you insult yesterday. That address where you bring come out. The woman where you get that address where you bring come out. Where you insult yesterday. Come out. May you apologize to that woman. I use God beg you. You know the reason why I do these things. I speak English to do this thing. You know the reason why I can't do this thing. If anything happened to you, Enogi, happens to you and your kids, now about this man, now people go narrate for the social media. Now me, now go say I be the bad head for the social media. I go say now me, I be the bad head. I not get any award when I not get cup when I want gain for your matter. If you go jail or they take your kids, I not go fit come here, come bust champagne, they drink. You understand? It does not make me another level. You understand? That is the reason why I'll be apologizing for your sake. Because Enogi, you don't know me too well. You understand? Now make I kill and down because of God. Because why? I want to bring myself down for you, Enogi, to be saved. You see this YouTube way they see so? I don't get document for Europe. And I don't hide them. You understand? I just stay with Oibo. This YouTube, they pay me. I wait a year we both go me occur. Yet him when you bo, I can't say bo, you wear YouTube now. Because if no you go, no YouTube, you have you go, you can't bo ne. E bo me, you got no you go me. You understand? So as a smart guy, I need to look for person where I know say I go fit trust. Make it give me an account, give me a name and your address for my YouTube. I am monetizing YouTube now. You understand? And that name, that address, now they send you email. Enogi. So for you bringing that address on her, displaying that address on her, and be bragging with that woman, just grasa, I dey come for you, I dey come for you. Automatically, no one will be woman because the video way, I'm going to give woman in a screenshot way. And you were so smart. You might be advising way. You really be advising way to delete the video. You were so smart to delete the video. But unfortunately, even when we were going video, a woman was watching you. You were a woman. You were a TV woman. Are black? You are a TV woman. You are a video ni woman. And a woman is a video ni lawyer. And you like page you a video you know. A woman don't have a man where you get twins. You don't born, you get twins. How your a video you know in download there. Yes, they nice. When me and my boat drive reach there, I did remember it. Go make my way be a city in we mula dani. A city in city me. A city in me ya deni. You understand? A city ni emenaya deni valley ni mede. A city ni me about 3 cities before that city. Understand me now? So all details about that woman no muladian. E bo o ni ome. Down here ni Joyce Gracer. E bo all that one. And when you are where matani. My sister, my brother Enogi, Lahore, Yosalobo in our way. Because I don't take him far. Or do I affect you? Do I affect him more? Again, I will be about this man I cause him. And about this man I do one. And about this man I do one. A mother not go far. Or go far then. Hello? I talk about a real life video. A real life video. Okay, no matter. You understand? Enogi, Lahore. When I share this video, go give Enogi. Because why? What's the other one in large and doing you woman? No, I know something you can't beg me, my way, Sagari, my way, my fool. Sagari, my way, mama, way, nothing will die. But for the sake of your children and you understand? For the sake of your children and you. Ladian, a woman, a threat, no threatening a woman in a fool. A threatening is against the law. In Deutschland. Woman, you threatened that woman on phone, and now a matter allegation man only time in a book baby live video. You understand? Say man only boy, and man only time in a book baby. Lahore wo because now I'm call the platform you know what you want to call her. You understand? He might send on you, might send on you. You know, really come what in Sagano. He might send on you. But Ahwena, Emiga do soon that way. Another story, Wariata. But Wamaya, where Wamaya and Wamaka were cross a boundary. Amawa saga, you can saga me, I saga you. But you people are crossing boundary. All the name of where Oma follow a hand. Or follow a hand because what was there? Who are who are big misbehave? I will tell you the truth. You understand? That is me for you. Who are misbehave? It's not wrong away. Who are say? I will tell you the truth. Even the kudos in way. You understand? But not in the essence of bringing out people identity on social media, the person you don't know. Now, I have a woman about a court banner. If you and that woman stand in the court of law, this woman, do you know this woman? The Nunyata, who we L. Has a bully you on social media? Or we L. You understand? The same frack with one canana. You don't even know where I'm living. You don't know the real address of me, where I'm living. Then we have anything. Address email where good now. I put my way if you work give me. You too very your work. Do you think I'm stupid? You know, posting a identity on social media because I know it's against the law. But understand, you can sue me for that. Or say the only say that way. There is never a time in Miami myself. Ya hata we omomohin, you don't know. Ya hata omomohin, you don't know. Because why they do this thing now? Una swear they see the watcher. Now I'm going to say I'm a bad person. A boy no mundano, a boy no, a boy no. But the matter of right time, what a boy problem. Who go no guana, who go also with a problem in my. I was using a Jamalai. A Jamalai nigga I use. Who go not a Jamalai and a Jamalai, a boy me. Who go not a Jamalai, I don't challenge with the Jamalai. Now I don't challenge with Frank with a name. We have to trace that Jamalai. Because the Jamalai ni a document I do. A ordinary line at the Katabaki. A man who go where I yo. How come? You know, when where you can, no, it doesn't mean we're brothers, we're just trying to insult each other on social media. It doesn't mean anything, you know. Let it go, let it be. Even when a battle one, water, or marry bottle, or maybe, or marry bottle, or marry bottle where I go. But no marry bottle, or you go young you wow. What the woman might well, oh, in the way up, be born away at me. What the woman might you boy, will make you in the boy born at me. Mammy, a bonny paper, the GPC member. No, say I don't say you be GPC member. You understand? Why would not tell you no give me delete video yesterday? If no know what to know, no they don't cross my jabi. Mami wana no kubole le nogi, Wa avec kubole le wori gan. Wa avec kubole le comment ya avia omo. You understand? Because the matter now, it's not MOA. A nogi man be coming. I don't have any business with the nogi. Or when the nogi have get organized. You have nogi about business. Yes, you have nogi about business. You understand? The matter was in Obama Yazel Vaiko. I will not get clear. We know Gimana woman because the only thing I can do, I have told this woman this morning. Someone file. Or you are calling me. Okay, I didn't know. That's even way. Memory. If you know no gay, you know way. You know how ways to me. God. If you GPC are the way, or that phone you wear you, or that phone or you wear you. Why? Well, about what young girl not say social media wahala. Imani boom, or it's even seen lying yan. Matana. Or you beg me, matana. La on you go woman go. A woman will be say I lawyer for. You're gonna take care as my own. and the lawyer for and they hear my word or the down your man and not your na in lao how I mean come on the point no slow down with the matter now you understand and I time when I settle so lo ban matter na no good and be careful ban I don't monogi the cut ban problem is dit yan su e o yan mu strafe no na ni be bol for ore mo now the video ya no e o yan download ya you may surprise the woman pe video we ye o ma wa record o pe video we me o no worry understand why I worry when wanani wa tala the live video when have a commenter when call one what color ignogi none of one year school in Deutschland none of you what no year school with Deutschland none of one even in the law of the even the latest law na move na my law my sign give it the law but my sign none of you what no in the law just for you people to be whiling away your depression in the house because of hey doggy, that woman, transgressor, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Emi nu nya yingana. Transgressor, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Ogin wa mu we yo. Ogin wa de we fi go gyo no wana. Akbe yo me ho fu. Ebenuta. You understand? No good. Because go money kono laho. I will video ya go. You understand? Mamu got a problem. Do me anything you want do me. Do me squad do. Me sinu ya gbe won. Kill me. Gbe won on my own. You woman ni. You we. What see you we aye? You we. See why matter na. We mamu we why the problem with social media. Mamu we because of we is the worst enemy. Do my hand. You come away. Every time you come away. And then when you are by your lab, then she become my worst enemy. Or say, I both however. Understand? So, as only my way, what keep her aside. Mammy addressing me, why are you boy or boy? Yeah, day fini. So, if you okay, dating me, addressing no addressing me. You get what forward there, you send you to move forward there going. If we read on it, when we so as yeah, why we joking? I'm not trying to disguise you. You can come to that house. I just need to go in there. When you go. When you go, man, drive. I do want it. You want to get rid of him about this man. You understand? I do want it. When you answer my what more now, just come out to talk to you as a brother. So be worried about that. Social media. If you get sense, and they always tell you the truth for this live video. But because of all your live video is for money, telling lies to make money, that is what you people are always after. So when they are the reality, you watching that person is the bad person. That's why you people are attacking me. But now, will you boy a problem by bringing that person on that personal mind identities on social media? We tell when they say Borime, Borime, we need Borime Jose, or we German of American now. We know Jose, the dinner only ready in Yajak where this city. We know only or no America, only Yoga. We know Jose, the Hamwell. The thing you know, this address of where Mula in live video on it. We don't get the video, man. Problem where are you? You understand? Or say now when la we are in the town. Are you here do it? What's it now? We video now, a video now we see bala. What's it now we video now? A matter now be careful because of your arrogance and your proudness. A matter now be that one. We right away frank. Or say problem. Even if you give you advice, kakabo when you meet you, you advice you. You understand? No like you will give you the good advice. No deity, no jealousy way. Yan kabo be we everybody will do your back. Will do your back. So I say cut in there, and now we follow you go court. We no jena. Ka tell na ma wa. Imwe gbe ko wa we joking no. Ogi ma wuwe. I keep on inside. Me ogi me na me wa painting ogi me na. I painting ogi me. No we dey ina me wono akawa lahi. Cause ima na me wo ko na asi we bolo ana. Unwe fan ko yije. Unwe me na o yeje. Me han ya na. Can social media na. We mo see it. Because of winning on short 85% right. Oh yeah, I think blast away. Because we're a presenter, a live video. And the funniest part on my way, when you have your identity to them, not quantity to get why we have time YouTube? We have time go. We identity no more gain. Identity no forward the gain of bullying record. We have time go. We identity no more gain. I can't no more gain of bullying record. On no avasi we kakabo kama no avasi we that yahoo boy no wo achi wo yahoo boy kama yahoo boy we no go tap gbenge go or gbenge YouTube kama we identity address ni wa mu gwe no bi address ni nya polo ni are koto. You understand? We, my brother, la how wo this all boy in here we the thing I can do when you apologize to that woman if you don't need if you Imugi woman, Imugi other for her. You understand? I will go there myself and beg them. Because even now, even that drive the money like now, and now the way video now. Because other kind of work I'm going for. But other for Indo Mario Metai. You understand? And if we are log Mario Metai away, I should go and talk to his wife. He call her only when you're Rimuna and he acts upon Rimuna. You understand? So please, I beg you, use a lobo in your way. Use a lobo in your way. Ma uwe na gui, iwa ma uwe gui. Kwa mata na agbira na bwana, wana ni boboyo ina, wagi lele regeni, wani boboyo ina wagi lele regeni. Egbe na na sun da pa di mofi. E pa di mofi mo me regwa. Ayi wa ya no ga kama we ride on. Iya kala na social media moke. Na dey come for live video con dey mock. You know use your head do. The way you would, I'm not saying you should come and beg me. Not be me at all. Me and you are not beg me. If you beg me, no say I don't agree. And you feel no. We are even we are going beg me. It's here my bad because me kwe. My way money they beg you. Ogoni in here so that if you cut the video, go give them or has it time again? That one ya rowa. Yeah, him here. Talk to them. See me can laugh. The way I feel they make them laugh. You understand? And the only thing I go fit do be that one. I just got beg for those people who know no give. Now see this message where I go give them. Yeah, our well they want corner. For that address where you bring comments, where they don't post for hair. Different blogger don't post for hair. All those GPC fake account they say my address be that one because all of them different address. You understand? One I know say na Europe today. If you come and address, now you go the problem. I tell you. Now you go the problem. You know they follow person way no law to talk. You know say na just you know don't see your identity. Why me be na dey? On what of the nisha, what no shaibo. Anywhere one. When I go stupid the hena. Umu addressing na addressing go address na go anywhere me Frank Victor Nene Straza Frank Victor agmo you wani. O we ti me mama don wani. Illegal work making ni iwa koyo every aduro person in Europe illegal wa yakin. When no gi illegal working with one wejini, but you don't know. Illegal working with Deutschland, illegal working with Deutschland. We may akilo no na we illegal working. We no we na why se cutting do we big illegal working. So you use a lot of come out to apologize to that woman that you were threatening on social media or because of Frank Victor. You understand? Do that because I already start apologizing on your behalf. Let that woman let that matter die. Now me and you get issue. You understand? Because a YouTube yeah, or collective. Even address even bank in the one. On one be or I take account here. You understand? Yet you are more accountable YouTube. Il me accountable YouTube. Me better you are more accountable black. No rather YouTube. You understand? You want to do me oko. So feel now. Is that your mentality? Or not the way how you need to use your head. More than use your head the reason where. You understand? So my brother Lao come out and apologize to that woman. Apologize to that woman, and I also cut the video to go and beg that woman. Make that woman let the matter go. So now just normal with the saga herself. You understand? The saga herself made the matter clear for her. Say that woman, you know, apologize to that woman. My brother, you told him well. Now me know waiting at the talk before I come out now. He not hate you well. He may not hate you well. If I want your downfall, opportunity na enemy. You be smart to normal level. You be smart till later because I go your page yesterday when the woman call me. They tell me say you will so you bring it in enemy command. So you bring someone and say what? Say yes. So you bring a command. You the bully and this. I say no problem. I don't hear madam. Calm down. Okay, me like page you we live video today. Next thing I go again. I don't see the video. You know, I don't see the calling name for the rest of that one. You call the name. Even if you get the other one, you still do self. You call the name. You do blah 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 blah. You take while I'm here address you. Joy Christ. You talk. You chat the woman name. You understand? I say, Mama address you. Me at the until the woman the screenshot where they take. Even who go comment everything they the screenshot where they take. When you take bring the address, come and pin her. But now we do now we comment ourselves at the fear now. Some of commenters. Yeah, screenshot you in the video. Screenshot cut the video. Yeah, forward the holding. Me ne present ma for me ma mo. Me ne live video present ma mo. You understand? I forward the going and the woman does want go me even the lawyer get information the lawyer need. My brother, I beg you in the name of God. Even yesterday, set me regular address away. Address away the gun. That God know there. You understand? But the man the bundo ata way okay man or area oba my yakin. Most of fans even they call even there. Fans even they call even there. No problem here. One woman call you yesterday. The woman still call me and beg, Mama Vitru. Sorry we mention any name. You know, I want to be live video present blogger no. She be blogger. She called and apologized. Okay, Gamaza auto. Lao, you call it no give you no give her. But a woman ya where on no give over here. But take matter fine. Okay, Adelabi, I worry. Happy John. And you say from Victor, you lie. No problem. You know, you don't give you information. When we go no give no like the video do also. You understand? But how many apologize? You understand? You watch time and I didn't hear to woman. Me yan here ebegi. Understand? Me yan here ebegi. E wana beji. E video ya nuwe e yan download there. A video ya nuwe o kan ya biadi. This is the woman. Oh God. On social media. And yesterday I fear some people. Yesterday now I fear some people. When you feel say you hide, you man like my guy. No dem. So you understand? E video ya nuwe we yan gbegbe ya ladian. Yeah, we woman warn you. All the video, I got all the video. So I use a brain. You know, give. Come out categorically to apologize to that woman. Apologize to that woman. And here we are begging. We not really here. We not really here. Here we call you. We come say I debut. They don't not go woman on the phone. You can call me. Yeah, we block you. Yet you not block you. Me sending no big woman. My well say, yeah, sending no big woman go. No apologize to that woman. And the little way I will do for you be that one. I can send you that woman number. Then you apologize to that woman. Or my way, forget me and you. I can send you that woman number. You apologize to that woman. Me, you don't vex. Beg that woman. I use God beg you. You no give. You don't do any. You don't beg woman. Call him, when you call him, because he block you. You don't block you when you block you. When you know you call him, you know big woman no beg a woman. Never gui. In the IT, You understand? Because it's no one who go Negia no me mo, I will papa with this man, Monsieur. May I have here? So, no come with no come so, or say another nana. You know why you have a video they are tracing the woman in room. You will have the live video. No apologizing the woman. The matter is not clear because since this morning now they beg this woman, make it rest. The matter is not good right now. Because the matter is woman on me 85% no young money were the courts. Because on my way there. On my way there. We are come. We are my address of Eladian. We don't have my YouTube or sell go. What business do you have with him a YouTube? You understand? So my brother, if you know my so use your brain, oh. Use your brain because of your children. I know they talk all this thing because of you, because of your picking. Because alone we my bumbe. On good day now. Ebo mare yo wa. Yan ebo da kon ebo no. Yan low e. Yan low e. We yan like ebo e. La o we so lo boy yin. We no your way. What is the wale lo mo ngai wo kon. Wetin we ni yan. A life you normal use a brain. Ma we na wa deal with a gbona. Awon yin ma we deal with a gbona. Aduro we dey fight ourselves. La o I use God beg you. Use your head. Now, I'm not talking English. Maybe later, if I still come on a program, I'll still talk to you. Use your head, but me and you, our saga still remain on nothing. We die. Saga, man, we will not be here, but use your brain. What? Now, bye for now. I want to take care.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully